Have you ever dreamt of owning a profitable online business? It starts with an idea, specifically where your passion, expertise, and market demand intersect. This is your niche. You may ask, how do I find my niche? Start by identifying your passion and areas of expertise. Then, consider the market viability. The answers to these questions will lead to your niche. Once identified, determine your unique selling proposition. This is what sets you apart from competitors. It's how you do it differently or better. This is the core foundation of your online business. Choose wisely and passionately. Now that you've found your niche, it's time to understand your audience better. This is where market research steps in. It's essential to know who your product or service is designed for and what they require. Market research is a compass, directing your business towards the right audience, understanding their needs, preferences, and concerns. What are they in search of? Convenience, quality, or cheap price? What issues can your product resolve? These are questions that research answers. You can effectively conduct this through online tools, surveys, social media, and competitor analysis. These will provide insight on your audience's demographics, behaviors, and likes or dislikes. By observing your competitors, can understand their strengths and weaknesses to improve your own business. The ultimate goal is to offer exactly what your audience wants. You meet their needs. They'll become not just loyal customers, but your brand ambassadors. Good market research empowers you to offer exactly what your audience wants. With a clear understanding of your market, let's move to the next step: building your online presence. Your digital storefront is akin to your online presence and forms an initial impression for potential customers. Therefore, having an inviting professional website or e-commerce store is crucial. These platforms not only exhibit your offerings but also narrate your brand story, fostering trust with your customers. They transform site visitors into customers. Hence, a user-friendly design and intuitive navigation are necessary. Your website's visibility is vital, making SEO a key player. By incorporating relevant keywords and high-quality content, your site's visibility on search engines enhances, attracting potential customers. Your online presence also encapsulates your social media profiles, online reviews, and other digital touchpoints, which should be consistent and professional. So, make it count, as a well-crafted online presence can be your most powerful marketing tool. Content is king in the digital world, and for a good reason. A strong content strategy is your guiding light, drawing the audience to your online venture. It's not just showcasing products or services, it's about delivering value, resolving issues, and connecting with your audience. Think of your content as a bridge, linking your business to your audience. Diverse content serves varying functions. Blogs share in-depth knowledge, building your authority, and boosting your SEO. Videos are a dynamic way to show your products or services, share testimonials, provide tutorials. Social media posts, those nuggets of content, help you engage your audience and construct a community around your brand. Remember, content is more than selling. It's storytelling. It's about fostering trust in relationships. It's about demonstrating to your audience that you understand them and that you're there to enhance their lives. Invest in creating compelling content, and your audience will invest their time and money in you. You've built a strong foundation. It's time to talk money. Monetization turns your online platform into a profit-making entity. One way to generate revenue is e-commerce, which means selling goods or services directly. Affiliate marketing offers another route, where you promote others' products for a commission. Consider also the vast world of advertising. By allowing ads on your site or channel, you can earn passive income. Don't overlook digital products like ebooks, online courses, or software, which could be lucrative. It's crucial to spread your revenue sources, maximum earnings, and security against market shifts. And always, dedication and adaptability are your keys to success. Start your online business journey today. Remember, diversifying income sources not only maximizes earnings but guards against market fluctuations. Be ready to adapt, be dedicated, and success will follow. Subscribe for more insights on making money online and achieving financial freedom.